Assalamu alaikum. Meet Gerald. Gerald called the Gain Peace hotline after looking at the Ramadan billboard on Highway 294. He said that I always wanted to read the Quran. Can you send a copy to my address? Meet Sister Asiya. She said that she's from Palestine. She's visiting Chicago from Palestine. She said, I want to take a few brochures, Islamic brochures with me, take it back with me to Palestine so I can give it to the Jewish people and to the tourists who come there around the Masjid al-Aqsa. Meet Christopher. Christopher came to the Masjid open house at Masjid al-Huda, and after listening to the lecture, meeting the Muslims and asking the questions, he said, I feel at home, I feel that Islam is for me. How do I convert to Islam? Meet Jerry. Jerry came to the Dawah booth of Gain Peace and he stopped by. He had many questions. After listening to the answers, he said, I became so interested now to read the Quran. Can I get a free copy of the Quran from you guys? And we gave it to him. There are millions of fellow Americans who are drowned in their problems. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has honored you, He has honored me and all the Muslims to share the message of Islam. And this was the job of all the prophets, all the messengers. Allah appointed you and me as messengers of the messenger. May Allah accept it from you, support Gain Peace, support your organization, support your obligation. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.